Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a game. What kind of game we are going to make? Like we all have seen there are fruits on the tree. So we are going to check whether a fruit is ripe or not. And if the fruit is ripe, it will fall on the ground. For that, we'll use a fruit as peach. And we are going to put it on a tree, and when we click on this, if it is ripe, it will come down. All right, so let's start. I'll click on this home button, and then you'll see all your previous projects that you have made till now here. Next, we are going to click on this plus button because we'll be start making a new project. Now what are we going to do? First, we need to remove this sprite. We'll click on this and then we'll click on this cross button. Now we'll select a sprite. For that, we'll click on this plus button and we'll come down. We'll see, yes, there is a peach fruit here. We can select this and we can click on this tick option. You will see the peach will appear on your stage. Then we are going to, as you can see, there the background is completely white. There is nothing present here. For that, we'll insert a background picture. So we'll click on this option and you will see there are different options present here. So let's say we'll select this one, this summer background, and I'll click on this tick option. Then you will see there are already few fruits that are present in our background, and we are going to place this our peach also on this. How to place this? I'll click on this, drag and place it here. But you will see that the size of this is larger as compared to other fruits. So what we are going to do, first we'll click on this event of block and we'll select a green flag. We'll click on this, drag and place it here. Next, we are going to go switch to looks option, this purple block, and here you will see there is the option of reducing the size. For this shrink. Okay, we are going to click on this and drag and place it here. Why are we doing this? To reduce the size of our peach. Now I'll click on this green flag. You will see the size is reduced. Let's reduce it more. We can click on this number and we can enter, let's say 3. Then we'll click on this green flag and you can see almost it is equal to. Let's change it a more. Let's enter 4. Now I click on this green flag and you'll see the size of this peach is almost equal to the other peaches. Alright, now we'll click on this and we'll drag and remove it. Next, we are going to do what? We are going to write a new code. So what we'll do? Yes. Now what should happen? We'll click on each of the fruit, and if it is ripe, then it will fall on the ground. Otherwise, it will remain on the tree. This is the game we are going to make. So for that, let's start. We'll click on the event block, that is the yellow one, and here we'll not select a green flag this time. We'll select this option, start on tap. That means when I click on this or when I tap on this, then the game will start. So I'll click on this, drag and place it here. Next, what are we going to do? We are going to rotate this. Like when it will fall on the ground, it will rotate. For that, we'll go to the motion block and we'll select this clockwise direction. I'll click on this, that is turn right. I'll click on this, drag and place it here. Let's say 2. Then we'll again rotate it in left direction. We'll click on this, drag and place it here. We'll change this also to 2. Then what are we going to do? We're going to make the peach fall on the ground. So it will come down. For coming down, we are having this down, move down option. We'll click on this, drag and place it here. Now let's change the number as, let's say 10. Then what are we going to do? See, we have used now our peaches on the ground. So this will say, this will tell that this peach is ripe and it has fallen on the ground. After that, we'll wait. We'll go to this control block and we'll use this wait block, drag and place it here. Let's change the time as 20. Why are we doing this? So that the piece should stay on the ground. Okay. For let's say 20 seconds. And then see like this. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Yes. After that, we want that it should go back to its original position. For that, in the motion block, we are having this go home option. We'll click on this and we'll place it here. Okay, so as you can see, the size is back again. So we can do one thing. We can set the size again. Click on this and we'll go to the looks option and we'll use this. We'll enter 5. Now when I click on this green flag, the size is here. Now let's check. When I click on the other peach, then it is not coming down. That means they are not ripe. But when I click on this, you'll see it rotate and fall on the ground. Okay. So this is how we have made a game of a ripe fruit. Alright. So follow these steps and make your game also like this, or you can select any other fruit also from this and insert it here. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you.